Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for social media management. Notion offers a powerful, flexible workspace to centralize all your social media efforts, from planning to execution and tracking. We will start by setting up your main workspace. First, create a new page in Notion and select a database view, such as a table or calendar, to organize your content. This foundational step is crucial for building an efficient system that saves you time and keeps your content organized. Next, let's build your content calendar. Within your database, add essential properties for each social media post. Include a status property to track progress, a publish date for scheduling, and a platform property for channels like Instagram or LinkedIn. You can also add a content type property, such as image, video, or carousel. This structured approach ensures every piece of content is accounted for and easily trackable, streamlining your entire planning process. Efficiently manage all your creative assets and collaborate with your team. You can attach images, videos, and other media files directly to each post entry in your Notion database. This keeps everything in one place, eliminating the need to search through multiple folders. For team collaboration, use Notion's comment feature to provide feedback on drafts, and mention team members directly to assign tasks or ask questions, ensuring everyone stays aligned and informed throughout the content creation cycle. Finally, let's talk about tracking performance and iterating on your strategy. Add properties to your database to track key performance indicators, such as reach, engagement, or clicks, for each published post. You can manually input these numbers or link to external data. Regularly review this data directly within Notion to identify what resonates with your audience. This continuous feedback loop allows you to refine your content strategy, ensuring your social media efforts are consistently optimized for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.